In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the batteries on the FLING LED wall-mounted light with switch display unit at Greenworks. So first off, you want to look for the display unit under item number 426910. Alright, so first thing, you're going to lift the display like this, but first off, we're going to remove the chime display and the smart spinner display. And now you're going to lift the display like this from the mounting screws and then set it down with careful. And please note that these displays are really heavy. Next, you want to go ahead and remove the display assembly. Okay, at the back, you're going to push down on the compartment door and then release to expose the batteries. Once that step is already completed, remove the 3 faulty batteries. Okay, now I'm going to be installing these 3 Duracell batteries. Simply connect them onto the polarity tabs at the back of the switch. Now that this action is done, close back the battery compartment. The display unit should now turn on as usual. When you are ready to put back the display unit, make sure to hang it with the white screws on the display wall. Once the display cage is already installed, we can now test the display with the newly installed batteries. Thanks for watching.